Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Cajun stuffed chicken breast. It's chicken breast stuffed with some cheese and veggies and topped off with Cajun seasoning and butter, and it is so good. It's one of the most popular recipes on my website. You'll need some diced green bell pepper, some diced red bell pepper, some diced mushrooms, but if you don't like them, you can leave them out, and some diced red or white onion. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna take these veggies over to the stove and saute them in a skillet. Get about a tablespoon of oil heating in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then we'll go ahead and add in all of our veggies. You'll want to saute these until tender, which will take about 5 minutes. We're gonna put this mixture inside our chicken. So once that's soft, we're gonna pull it off the heat and set it aside. Next, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and there's 2 different ways that you can stuff them. You can either pound them out thin and fold them over, or what I like to do, if the chicken breast is thick enough, you can just slice into it and butterfly the chicken open. Then you'll place a spoonful of veggies in the center, then a nice healthy pinch of shredded pepper jack cheese. Then you'll want to gently fold over the chicken to close that off, and you can cook it just this way, but what I like to do is to kind of seal it shut with toothpicks. I find that the toothpicks help the filling stay inside, and I like to overstuff mine, so the toothpicks really help. Then place the chicken into a lightly greased baking dish. Then you're gonna sprinkle Cajun seasoning on top of each one, and you can kind of rub that in. It's a little hard to get it on the bottom, but don't worry, the juices will leak down and flavor the bottom as well. Then I put a tablespoon of butter on top of each one. Whoops, put that on top there. The butter will melt all over the chicken breast and combine with the Cajun seasoning, and it makes for the best sauce. You're gonna wanna lick the pan. Next, we're gonna bake this in the 400-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then that's it, you are ready to eat. Be sure to remove the toothpicks before serving though. You don't want anyone taking a bite of a toothpick. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.